it's a Monday and आज होगा एक productivity related video, and in this video I'm gonna talk about the idea of owning your mornings and elevating your life. Now if you know this punchline, you would have guessed this book. This idea is like the central idea from this book by Robin Sharma. It's called the 5 AM Club, and in this book Robin Sharma talks about the idea of why should everyone in this world get up early, and how getting up early helps to channelize energy throughout the day and makes your day better. अब तक जो जेई वाला फेज था एंड जो कॉलेज वाला फेज था उसमें आई वॉज अ नाइट आउल and I used to like stay up late till 2 or 3 even during my JEE preparation, because the only reason that I used to stay up late or get up early was that I got my me time. So I used to get the free time. सब घर में सो गए होते थे, so you could actually focus your work, and सब जगह शांति होती है, कुछ हल्ला गुल्ला नहीं हो रहा होता, so you could actually focus on your work, focus on your task and do it pretty well, pretty fast. Yeah, so that was the only reason I had in my mind to wake up early or sleep late. Robin Sharma talks about a really interesting idea. It talks about the 4 internal empires. The idea that all the outer empires that are there in this world, like be it your relationship with people, your relationship with your family, your income, your wealth, your impact on the society and stuff like that, all of them depends on your internal empires, which are mainly your heart set, health set, soul set and mindset. A lot of people talk about mindset. You should be focused on your work and basically कैसे grow करना है, अपना productive कैसे रहना है, वो सब बताता है. But no one talks about the other 3 things. See, if you're just having the right mindset but you are failing at emotionally connecting with people, or you have a very low EQ, if you don't have a bigger goal, a bigger purpose in life, you are at 25% of your personal mastery. तुम पूरी जान नहीं लगा रहे हो, ठीक है? Having a right mindset is important, but it should be backed by a correct heart set. Now what is heart set? Heart set is essentially your emotional quotient. Like if you are working day in day out, if you are hustling, if you have a huge follower base, if you have a huge subscriber count, but you don't have anyone to share the happiness with, तुम अंदर से दुखी हो, तुम्हारे पास कोई दोस्त नहीं है इससे तुम बात कर सकते हो, तुम basically depressed हो, sad हो and गुस्सा हो किसी कोई past की चीज़ को लेके, या फिर किसी को कुछ माफ़ नहीं किया, तो you are not living fully यार. मतलब you are, and what's the difference between you and a robot who is working every single day? He works actually better than you. तो that's the thing ना. You should, तो तुम इंसान नहीं, मतलब तुम जी नहीं रहे हो यार, तुम बस काम करे जा रहे हो. तो तुम्हारे अंदर like emotions is what makes us unique and different, right? And you should have people to share those emotions with, and you should be happy overall, right? अंदर से. So that is your heart set. With a proper heart set, you should have a health set. Now, what is health set? Health set is making a physique. Okay. Sharma actually talks about health set in a really interesting way. He says that here's a quick tip: if you want to lead your field and experience continuous escalations of your eminence, do not die. So this is essentially what he talks about being healthy. So if you are healthy, if you are able to live longer, if you are able to experience the world, basically your health shouldn't be a barrier in your living, like in enjoying the experiences that this world provides, right? ऐसा नहीं हो कि तुम 50 साल के हो गए हो, पैसा बहुत है लेकिन चल नहीं सकते, या फिर तो वही be healthy, and so that you can actually give your physical domain, right, physical strength रहे, ऐसा मतलब तभी तुम अच्छे से काम कर पाओगे. तुम्हारी बॉडी अगर अच्छे से काम कर पा रही है तो तुम्हारा माइंड भी अच्छे से काम कर पाएगा, ओवरऑल तुम अच्छे से काम कर पाओगे. नाउ लास्टली Robin Sharma talks about soul set. Now what is soul set? Soul set, as the name suggests, is connecting to a bigger energy that runs this world or something. The people who have actually created an impact or a dent in this world or universe have actually lived for a bigger purpose than themselves. So it is not just कि ठीक है मुझे इतना काम करना है, इतने पैसे कमाना है और अपनी फैमिली का ध्यान रखना है, फिर सोना है, फिर मरना है. तो मतलब मरने वाला पार्ट डार्क हो गया, बट स्टिल देयर शुड बी अ बिगर इम्पैक्ट, अ बिगर विजन टू योर लाइफ, राइट? एंड टू बी ऑनेस्ट, लाइक ये सब वीडियोस बना के मुझे काइंड ऑफ लगता है कि मैं अब चल खुद तो जो सीख रहा हूँ, बट मेरी जितनी थोड़ी बहुत नॉलेज है उससे तुम लोग को इम्पैक्ट कर पा रहा हूँ. दिस हैज़ बिकम समथिंग विच आई फील इज़ बिगर दैन मी, लाइक तुम लोग को इम्पैक्ट करना. एंड इवन if I am able to impact a single person, then it will really mean a lot. So yeah, with that, so these are the 4 things that you should keep in mind to completely master your personal growth 100%. And दिस इज हाउ यू ओन योर मॉर्निंग्स एंड एलिवेट योर लाइफ. एंड वो कैसे करना है? एप्लीकेशन ऑफ 20-20-20 फॉर्मूला. इफ यू वेक अप एट 5 AM, so 5 to 6 is your victory hour, as Robin Sharma said. And उसमें 20 minutes इन तीनों चीज़ों को दो. So माइंड सेट, हेल्थ सेट एंड सोल सेट. ये इन तीन चीज़ों को तुम अपने विक्ट्री आवर में कर सकते हो. एंड टुवर्ड्स द एंड ऑफ द डे लोगों से बात करो, दोस्तों से बात करो, चिल करो, एंजॉय करो रात में. तो रात में तुम अपना सोल सेट, हार्ट सेट पे काम कर सकते हो. एंड सुबह 20 मिनट वर्कआउट, 20 मिनट मेडिटेशन एंड 20 मिनट कोई बुक पढ़ लिया, कोई पॉडकास्ट सुन लिया. दिस इज हाउ यू एक्चुअली ओन योर मॉर्निंग्स एंड एलिवेट योर लाइफ. एंड बाकी तो मजे करा लाइफ में.